Hey, what's up, guys? Anthony from Layers, and today let's go ahead and do a blemish check. Okay. Firstly, open up Photoshop, of course, and pull up some layers. All right, so we have two layers here. We have our model Maya, and we also have our model Corey. Okay. Now, the first things first, let's go ahead and open up our adjustments panel here, and let's click on black and white. Well, let's turn this off real quickly. So if you pay attention to the photo that you're getting ready to edit, just make sure that they aren't moles, freckles, etc. Because sometimes if you tend to remove them, you make the person not look like who they actually look like. So that's why a blemish check is necessary. Now, of course, you don't have to do it, but it's a good thing to do. So how we figure that out is, let me turn this back on. Blemishes tend to be a little bit more red, and so like pimples, etc., they tend to be a little bit more kind of reddish and darker. So what we'll do, we'll focus on the reds and yellows. We'll push this over a little bit. That's to make it darker. We push the yellows over to the right to make it lighter, just in case there's something we needed to see a little better. She doesn't have any blemishes, and actually you could tell just by taking the filter off. But at first glance, sometimes that might be a blemish, so we'll remove it and it doesn't look like the person any longer, and your subject's going to be not too happy about that. Now, there's a different strategy, if you will, for darker complected individuals. And so I'll just open up, see if we tried right here, open this up, it should be, that's almost unmanageable. So what I do for darker complected individuals or photos, I'll just make another one. Grab another one here. Black and white. And now basically, we don't have to push into the reds that much, because the red's just going to make the entire photo too dark. Okay. So we could push over to the yellows. That would brighten it up. And some of the spots are moles, and then there are some blemishes. So that's a good way to check on the darker complected individuals. Okay. So one of them short and sweet things that you didn't know you needed to know. It's awesome to be able to take a glance at a photo and see, what do I need, or what tools do I need, or what adjustments do I need, etc. So this is just another tool in your toolkit, and it's really quick. Really quick to do. Go ahead and pull up a layer, of course, and then pull up your black and white adjustment layer, and you're ready to go. Okay, it's just that simple. Everything you need to know is down in the box. And like always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.